Welcome. It's time for that awful Sprite challenge where you have to chug a bottle of Sprite. We ain't just doing a bottle on this channel. We're gonna do a whole 34 ounces of Sprite, folks. Look at all that carbonation. Will I be able to get this whole 34-ounce mug of Sprite down and not burp? I can burp after it's gone. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Fluffy Bearded Man, and today we're here to do the Sprite challenge. Hey look, I even got a little bit of something from my last chug at the bottom of my mug. Whew. It's the first thing in the morning. I had an empty belly. Last thing I ate was last night. I already took the morning crap, so I got plenty of room for bubbles and carbonation. So I've been seeing this trending all over the thing. It's the Sprite challenge. Can't burp until you have got it all down. So instead of just doing a bottle, I got the old trusty dusty good old Chug mug club mug here, and we're gonna chug all 34 ounces. I'm gonna chug it. So my theory is, as long as I keep chugging, I won't be able to burp. So as long as it's gone, I'll let out the biggest belch I can. Alright guys, I'm excited for this. I'm intrigued. I've been trying to get a lot of people to get on in this. Let's do this. Come on guys, it's not that hard. Get some Sprite. Do it in a can, do it in a bottle. Just attempt it. Please do a bottle though. Because if you do a can, that's like nothing. At least do the bottle. This bottle is $1.25 at Dollar Tree. I know, it's not even a dollar store anymore. Alright guys, you came here. You want to see me attempt this? I'm going to give it my all. My old trusty tootsie all. Will I be able to do this? I sure hope so. On your marks. There's no time, just get it done. Get set, let's chug. Got it. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. Come on, burp. Come on, give me some more. Oh. I think the trick is just don't stop drinking. Oh, my stomach. Oh. Just don't stop drinking. I think that's the best check. My stomach though is still hurting. There's gotta be more in here. Come on. Come on. It just doesn't want to come out. We did it in a 34-ounce mug. Just don't stop chugging. That's all I gotta say. As long as you don't stop chugging, you'll be fine. I feel like there's another one in here though. My stomach hurts though. Warn you, stomach will hurt. And if you have a full belly while doing this, you just might lose the whole belly. Definitely check this out. Give it a try. Let's see if you shine. I did it in my trusty dusty Chug Mug Club mug. I did all 34 ounces. I tell you what though, guys. There's burps in there. But give it a try. Let's see what you got. Alright guys. I'll see you guys on the next chug, next eating video, next food review. This is the Fluffy Bearded Man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more content. Because today's a good day. to have a great day. God bless you all. Peace.